everybody, it's me Happy Crisps, also known as Mansa. That's my real name. Anyway, I'm here to talk about what is it that speech language pathologists do? Who are we? Who do we deal with? So many questions. I'm going to answer all of that today. So, let's start with our name. Speech language pathologist. Let's break it down and see what we do. Speech refers to how we say the things which we say. Right now, I'm talking about speech language pathologist. How am I saying it? How are my lips and tongue, all of them moving to say whatever I want? So it deals with pronunciation, it deals with fluency, how fluently I'm able to say it, how my voice is when I'm saying. All of that comes under speech. So, or if there's any issue with any of these, we help them. Then what about language? Language doesn't mean English, Kannada, Hindi. No. Language talks about how, like, what is it I'm saying? I'm using these words. I'm using these words in a proper sentence. I'm using it in the correct context. All of that would come under language. So, if you have a difficulty in any of these things, such as the words, the meanings, forming sentences, we would help that as well. Most people assume that speech language pathologists only deal with stuttering or pronunciation issues, but that's not right. Did you know that we also deal with people from all ages, right from babies to adults? So, babies to adults, let me talk about the things we deal with quickly. Maybe babies are born with hearing impairment, or they have a cleft, that is a cut or an opening in their mouth. We help them communicate. Maybe children, younger children, they have disabilities, they have delays, they have disabilities like autism, ADHD, Down syndrome, any of that. We help those children understand and speak as well. Then coming to the adolescent population, so maybe they have difficulty in speaking well, like they are stammering or stuttering, or they have a voice issue, that is, girls are not able to have a proper voice, or the boys have not got their deep voice. We help them as well. Maybe they're not able to pronounce a sound properly. Yes, we help them. Maybe they have reading and writing issues. Yes, language is the basis on which we learn to read and write. If you have a difficulty in that, we help them. Coming to adults, again, stammering could be an issue, voice could be an issue because they use the voice a lot in their job or they talk a lot, just like me. But we could help them as well. If they have a stroke or they had an injury or an accident which affected their brain, which affected their memory and speaking and reading and writing, we help them. Going to older adults, maybe they have dementia, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, all of these things affect their speaking and their understanding or their cognitive abilities. So we help all of them. Oh, another thing I'm missing. We help people who have swallowing issues as well. I know, isn't that crazy? Because we speak and we eat in the same pipe, right? So anything's wrong with that, we help. So, like I said, we deal with children to adults in a wide range of difficulties. Anything which is affecting how you speak or what you say or the way you say it or your feeding or eating capabilities or the way you express it even by reading and writing, all of that we help. A lot of people assume we only deal with stuttering or difficulty in pronunciation, but that's not true. Like I said, we deal with a huge range of difficulties. Anybody who has difficulties in communicating, we help them. We love what we do and we help you talk. And speaking or communicating is the thing which makes us human. So, we help you by communicating, even if it's not verbal. We could help you maybe speak in sign language or using tabs or something else. But communicating your ideas is what makes us human, and we help you with that. So, next time somebody says I'm a speech language pathologist, don't say, huh, what is that? Oh, stuttering. No. Now that you know what a speech language pathologist does, tell this to everybody else. Thank you for watching. It's me, Happy Crisps.